In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, in this video I am showing you that these grass parakeets, they have different variations, different types, budgie, undersize, all of them. Even the lovebirds, you can see they like the grass so much. I have given them the fresh grass picked from my rooftop garden, and now you can see that they are enjoying it. They are munching these grass blades very relishly. All of them, they have gathered together and they are enjoying the feast. They love the grass. So viewers, whoever of them, wherever they are, they come to eat the grass. You can see that these lovebirds are also, I have given them the grass, but right now they are not showing much inclination. They are taking it off and on. Otherwise you can see that these budgies, they are all eating the grass, all of them. Here you can see that. That is the reason one of their names is also the grass parakeets. They like the grass so much. It gives them a lot of nutritions. Here you can see that the difference between the grass parakeets, between different types of Australian birds. Here you can see that these fishers are also enjoying the grass, but not as much as these undersized king. You can see that they are eating it voraciously, very greedily. It is their one of the favorite food, favorite diet. So viewers, I have told you that if you have these undersized kings or these budgie parakeets, grass parakeets, so add grass in their diet on daily basis or either on second or third day. It is very beneficial for their health and they also become very happy. We share this knowledge of these beautiful parrots, these beautiful Australian parrots, with all those bird lovers. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy ever.